Hey everyone, this is Mike, or you may know me as Nex. I'm standing outside my house, and this is probably the first snowstorm of the winter. I mean, we have snow, but this is like a storm. Let me show you what I mean. This is just the weight of snow on the trees. That is what used to be my car, a little Honda covered with snow. And if you just look down at the ground, so far it's supposed to be like 9 inches. I tried to film earlier today, but my camera ran out of space. I mean, it's kind of crazy. I'm going down the driveway now. Maybe we'll get a shot at some Christmas lights. Everything seems to look much better in the snow, prettier. Anyway, I used to clean the roads. It was much heavier before. But that's the kind of snowfall we're having. So everybody's locked down tight. Can't really get out to get to the store. And I guess we're gonna have another 2 hours of snow. But I just wanted you to see what kind of thing was happening here. Crazy. Get on the back deck, all the furniture and stuff are blown over. Maybe I'll show you that next clip. Not that you care or anything, but it's something to blog about. Since I can't make a snowman, smiley face will have to do. And that's just the top of my car. This is my back deck. This is what's happening in the backyard. Over there is all the furniture and stuff that blew over. The amount of accumulation of snow on the trees. It's just that kind of thing. Yeah. Here we have some animal tracks, and I'm not really sure what they are. Maybe cat, but they're pretty freaking big. I know you can't tell, but they look pretty big. Another chair that went over. In the fire pit, well, nobody's going to be burning any wood in that tonight. Although it sounds like a novel idea, it would be cozy. Or maybe not. That's probably not a good shot, but you can see the tables. I don't know if you can, well, maybe you can. There's not really a lot of light, but there's tables in the background back there that have a higher stack of snow on it than my car. That's where I was walking. I know, I'm boring. Anyway, just wanted to see what kind of storm we were having. And this is upstate New York, somewhere. Camp Nowhere, as I like to call it. Alright, I guess that's it. Snow on my back porch. Later.